कॉम्प्लिकेटिंग स्टफ, ये सीरम वो सीरम।
एंड मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि पानी पीना बंद कर दो, अब तो ये लिप बाम आ गई, सब सॉर्ट हो गया।
This lip balm works. Long lasting, lightweight, multifunctional, paraben free, non-comedogenic. This does reduce pigmentation.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are talking about few skin and body care products that I have been using for a couple of months and a year as well. These products have really helped me and I thought it will be a great idea to share it with all of you. So let's go. So let's understand what are the basics of skincare. Firstly, you need something to cleanse your skin like a cleanser, face wash or something. Then you need something to hydrate your skin like a moisturizer or toner or something like that. And then thirdly, you need something to protect your skin from sun like a sunscreen. And when you have these things in place for you, I think you have achieved a good skincare routine. And honestly, I'm someone who hates and who's absolutely against like
Using 1,000 products, complicating stuff, ये serum वो serum.
the less the products are, the better and happy I feel. And also, I would recommend if you are someone who's looking to address some concern, that you have some concern with your skin, then it's best to go to a dermat, not to a YouTuber who's just generally recommending you products for the views, right? So, first thing that I have for you is this product. Yeah, this is how they show, like body wise. 2% salicylic acid face wash to prevent acne formation, reduces blackheads as well. I've been using this for over 3 months now and this does help me in clearing my skin. And to be very honest, I do not have so many concerns to address with my skin, but I do have this issue wherein, my skin gets flaky at times. The T section, which is this section, gets oily. So I want something which can, smoothly scrub my skin. So the salicylic acid face wash does work right for me.
A brilliant product.
Secondly, what I have for you is a moisturizer. अब आपने फेस वॉश कर लिया, सेकंड आपको मॉइस्चराइजर लगाने की नीड है. So I have two products for you, both of these. Let's look at this one first, which is Hydrovo Skin Moisturizing. Hydrovo
Skin Leveling Moisturizer, long lasting, lightweight, multifunctional, paraben free, non-comedogenic, dermat tested.
So I want something which hydrates my skin, but at the same time doesn't feel very heavy or like a very heavy kind of moisturizer. So this is a lightweight moisturizer. It's of course not a commercial brand, as you can see. This is something that is recommended to me by a doctor and it's working nice for me. It is available on Amazon as well. So I'll put the link in the description. Maybe you can check it out. Second moisturizer I have is this one, which is Cetaphil
Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion for continuously dry and sensitive skin.
It does work for me, especially on the days my face is feeling too dry. This is a good moisturizer option, but if you ask me between these two, I would say I would pick up this one over the Cetaphil one because this is more on the lighter side. Of course, I understand this has been made for the concern of addressing very dry skin, but ड्राई स्किन का मतलब ये थोड़ी कि आप उसमें ऑयल ही लगा के सही करोगे उसको. सो आई प्रेफर दिस वन. नाउ लेट्स कम टू द थर्ड प्रोडक्ट, विच इज द मोस्ट पॉपुलर प्रोडक्ट, विच इज अ सनस्क्रीन. के कौन सा सनस्क्रीन लगाएं?
I've tried Lakme, Biotech, Mamaearth.
Couple of other brands, like I've tried a lot of brands and somehow I find this one not at all a popular brand, but it did help me
In bad Goa sun as well.
So this is by Aroma Magic Sunlight Spray and this is just SPF 30 and we generally think that we need like something 50, 60, 75 something SPF. I have used one sunscreen which is by Biotech. It was 75 SPF and to be very honest, nothing has worked better than this product for me. Your skin will tan, okay? So there's nothing that can protect your skin from tanning. If you are roaming around in sun, it will tan. But what the sunscreens will do for you is to ensure that your skin doesn't burn. Hence, the recovery from the tan is better than a recovery from a sunburns. This was recommended by this YouTuber. I love that YouTuber. It's FitTuber. And he recommended this in one of his videos and I'll blindly follow the products that he recommends and this one is a great one. So next product that I have for you is a lip balm and I have been looking for a good lip balm since a really long time. I don't remember last
Time having a lip balm which was really moisturizing my lips, right? It's like कि आपने लगाया और कुछ एक घंटा भी नहीं हुआ कि you have to reapply it.
I've tried multiple brands and nothing was working out nicely for me.
How do I show it to you?
I came across this brand called Wishcare.
And this is Wishcare Ceramide Lip Balm.
This is tinted. This has a little bit of color in it. little bit of pink, like a very. Should I do this?
Like it's barely. How do I do this?
So can you see like barely anything? I do not even have like great camera quality. But man, this product, it does keep your lip hydrated for a longer time. And मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि पानी पीना बंद कर दो अब तो ये लिप बाम आ गए सब सॉर्ट हो गया ऐसा कुछ नहीं. But this lip balm really is working. I am very happy with the lip balm. Highly recommend this product. This lip balm works. And lastly, a bonus product for all of you, which is a good deodorant. And we all want to look good. And of course, we want to ensure that we are smelling good as well.
This is the same brand as the face wash was. This is Body Wise 4% AHA BHA underarm roll-on.
And whatever it is claiming, which is to control the body odor and to reduce pigmentation, it is absolutely doing that. The smell is very similar to like baby products smell, like very subtle, very light kind of fragrance, which makes you feel really fresh around the day, and very small products. So you can always keep this in your bag, and whenever you feel that, thoda sa sweaty ho raha hai, take a tissue, tap on your underarms, and then reapply this one. You will feel fresh instantly. So this is something that I keep with myself. This is a great product, and this does reduce pigmentation on your underarms. And I do not know any other product which has really helped me reduce pigmentation, especially for someone who shaves. This is a great product. So that's all I have for you in this video. I hope you find these products as useful as I find them. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you are also someone who likes to watch videos on books, reviews, and like recommendations around it, then please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you around very soon. Thank you so much.